I just bought this online and I'm gonna try it out. I need to put some milk. This mocha latte. It's gonna taste really good. I'm gonna try it out. Ooh, I love this mocha latte with organic cocoa. And I use organic milk. Oh, I was forgetting about my croissant. I really love this new machine.